My name's Dongyan Lin. I was born in Beijing, China, and then I moved to Canada when I was 16. My research is on the intersection of neuroscience and AI, and I study how basically these two fields can complement and advance each other. I would say the digital brain, because basically that is where our research is going right now. There are so many of them, and each of them sort of influence me in a different way. But if I have to pick one, I think I'd have to say Dr. Sarah Sola, who is a professor in physiology at Northwestern University. And last year I had this amazing experience organizing this conference, and we invited Sarah as a speaker. And she talked about basically her journey of moving to the States from the Argentina, and then sort of being one of the few women in her field, and just the struggles, and then the journey of finding herself, etc. And honestly, that was just one of the most enlightening conversations I've had in my grad school journey. Absolutely. So this summer, I had the opportunity to get involved in a project called AI for Good, which is a summer lab that is founded by one of the Mila professors doing a pre-cup. And basically, the goal is to sort of address the gender imbalance in the field of AI by providing training opportunities for undergraduate women across Canada. And then there I met a lot of amazing girls who are aspiring to become an AI scientist. And it's really good to be part of the journey of helping them develop this career, and helping them just make the first step towards that career aspiration. It's absolutely amazing. I think the important thing is that Montreal as a city is really young, it's really fun, and then it's really people-oriented, and by that I mean it's really a city built for people to live in. You walk out of your door, and then right next to your apartment there's a park. You can just walk there and sit on a bench, and then you can watch sunset, and then on your way home you can grab a bagel. It's absolutely stunning to live here. I mean, I've received a lot of tips on how to do research, etc. But I would say that the most influential one to me is to be patient and just trust the process, put in the work. And there are a lot of people out there who are just trying to publish 20 papers a year. The whole purpose of being here and doing this PhD thing is just so that you can get really deep into a topic, and at the same time you can expand your interest and you can explore what you like. And I feel like that's the goal, instead of just counting how many papers you publish.